Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to easily replace the PCV valve on your 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. Basically what it does is it removes harmful gases from your engine, prevents pressure buildup, oil leaks, and engine sludge. Signs that you might have a bad PCV valve is oil leaks, increased oil consumption, sludge buildup, rough idling, or lower MPGs. Like I said, it should be really easy, take about 5 to 10 minutes. You should change it about every 50 to 60k miles. What we're going to do is remove the old PCV valve and then replace the new PCV valve. We're doing 20 foot-pounds. What you'll need is the new valve, Toyota 12204-3110, Toyota's 1324 thread locker or equivalent, log type Blue 242 is what I'm going to use, and a 19mm deep socket. Okay, the PC valve is located right here behind these hoses. Okay, let's get these hoses out of the way. Pop the clip out this way and pull it up. Remove this clamp and take the hose off. Okay, now we're going to stick our 19mm on the valve and remove it. The condition's not too bad. And a good valve, you should be able to hear it jingle, rattle. This one still does, but we're going to replace it anyway. Here's the new one, same number, same brand. Alright, we're going to put some blue Loctite around the threads. Alright, we're going to go back in hand tight first. Then we're going to go 20 foot-pounds. Keep in mind the threads do stick out a little bit when it's all the way tight. Okay, put the hose back on and clamp it back in. Clip this back in. And you're done. Alright guys, just like that, you successfully changed your PCV valve. It doesn't take you more than 10 minutes and it only costs about $10, so don't neglect it.